This is Greg with CalendarSnack.com. Thanks for stopping by. You can see here on the left, I'm in my Google Calendar, and my right, I'm in my Google Gmail over here. All I'm going to do is, after I got my calendar set up here, you know what to do there. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to type in create at CalendarSnack.com right there. And when you type in create at CalendarSnack.com, that sends us a copy of your calendar invitation. And we take it and we basically reconfigure it into a Calendar Snack. It's that easy. I'm going to hit save. You'll see here on the right, which is my Gmail. I'll hit refresh here and hit refresh one more time. And you'll see the new Calendar Snack load there. There it is. There's a new Calendar Snack, and in the Calendar Snack itself, you'll see that I can click to view. And when I hit click to view and go to send, there's my code for MailChimp. And all I do is take this code here from MailChimp. That's the RSVP button. And I go to my RSVP button in my created MailChimp template right here. I put the code in right here into the call to action in the MailChimp template. And when I send out my MailChimp template here as an example, and your customer clicks the button, they're sent to a landing page that's already pre-built for you. It's automated, and we send them a calendar invitation, and on the back of our calendar snack itself, we track the invitation status when they click yes, no, maybe. And that's it. That's a simple demo. Thanks for stopping by, and take a peek at calendarsnack.com. Thanks.